I want to show you how you can install Google Analytics 4 using Pixel Your Site on your WordPress website or on your WooCommerce website, because Pixel Your Site fires e-commerce specific events for WooCommerce automatically. We fire some other events for various WordPress actions, but before I dig into all this stuff, let's see how you can add the tag on your WordPress website using our plugin. So this is Pixel Your Site, and right here you can see there is now this one dedicated field for the Google Analytics tracking ID. This tracking ID is now called by Google Measurement ID, and I will show you how you can get this ID, from where you can get it. First, by creating a new Google Analytics 4 property, and then by using an existing one. So I will cover both these situations. First of all, go to your Google Analytics account, go to settings, this link right here, and create a new property. Again, I am now creating a new Google Analytics ID property. Maybe you don't need to follow this procedure because you already have one. Give it a name, something that makes sense and you can easily remember. Okay, you can select a reporting zone and currency. Basically select your time zone and your own currency, and then click next. Now check the boxes that describe your situation and click create. The next step is to create something that is called a stream, so a data stream. In our case, it's web, because we install the tag on a WordPress website, not in an app. And now add your website address, and your stream name, basically something you can recognize easily. Default settings are fine. Create stream. And here it is. This is the measurement ID, the one that you need to add inside Pixel Your Site. Go back to Pixel Your Site, add it right here, paste, and scroll and save. And that's it. Now let's do what you need to, what are the steps if you already have a GA4 property. I think it's pretty intuitive. Let me close this again, go to settings, or admin it's called, actually it's not settings, it's admin. Make sure you select from here the GA4 property that you want to add to your website, and then go here, data streams. Click on the data stream, on the stream. If you have just one, is well, just one here. If you have multiple streams, select the one that you want to use. If you don't have any stream, add one stream from here. And again, the measurement ID is right here. Now, as you saw, I've added the measurement ID inside the plugin settings. I have it right here. It means that from now on, Pixel Your Site will send data to Google Analytics 4, to that property. We will send all the e-commerce specific events for WooCommerce, and you can see some settings right here. Basically, we will send monetization data. That's how Google calls it right now. The events that we send, and you have some options for each event from here. Okay. If you use Easy Digital Downloads, which is a plugin similar to WooCommerce but dedicated to digital products, we do the same things. So we send the same events for Easy Digital Downloads as well. We also track important actions on any WordPress website with our default automatic events. You can see these events on the plugins page right here. Click on this and you will see all the actions that we track automatically. You can expand and see that this particular event called outbound click is sent to Google Analytics. If for some reason you need to configure your own events to Google and send them to Google Analytics, you can do so from the plugin's events page. Go to the events page, add new, and then you can select the trigger. You have various triggers. Okay, and send the event to Google Analytics, custom event, or select the standard event name and configure it. So once you add the measurement ID, we do a lot of stuff. How can you confirm or check if the Google Analytics 4 tag actually works? You can do so by using Google's own testing tool, tagassistant.google.com. Go here, add domain, basically add your website's URL, and click connect. And now you should be able to see what events are fired. Browse your website, do some stuff, open some pages, add to cart products, click on links, complete forms, send comments. All this stuff that distract the plugin should trigger events here, and you will see them like this, and you can see details about each event. Important, if you plan to test the plugin or the tag, make sure you are not logged in as with a user that is excluded in the plugin settings. We have this option right here to ignore roles from tracking. Basically, if I select admin and I save, the tag won't fire for admins. So make sure that's not the case when you test your events. And also make sure you don't have an ad blocker, because ad blockers might stop the tag from working. So that's it. That's how you install the GA4 tag using Pixel Your Site on a WordPress website. I'm Christian Stoichescu from, obviously, Pixel Your Site. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe to our channel, like, share. Thank you again.